JDS8000 PC software installation. First of all, we can find the JDS8000 series PC software installation package download link in the quick guide and the user's manual http://68.168 132.244 JDS8000 setup _n zip. Copy the link into the browser and you can download it directly. After downloading, unzip the installation package. Click to install the application. Click Next, Install Finish to complete the installation. Right-click Computer Properties Device Manager. Observe the serial port assigned by the computer. COM3 is the port of the JDS8000 series signal generator. Double-click to open the installed JDS8000 PC software. Select the COM3 port to connect. When the machine model and serial number are displayed, it means the connection is successful.